المرموم ولا المكاوى استوت هذول التيبايب
Icumi dake. Yeso sini lakam na.
This morning we had the respective heads of departments meeting, and the heads of department had highlighted their respective areas of operations. And one of the areas that we are focused in is for the students to get back to school as early as possible. That is on Monday, and we have been tasked to get the three core ministries. That is the Ministry of Roads, Ministry of Education, and the LTA, Road Transport, to look into their respective areas to get the students back to school as early as possible. And as I speak, the evacuation centers for Nandrong and Awosa has dropped from 227 to 183 for 6 evacuation centers. Now it has gone down to 5. For the Dhubu College, that was one of the evacuation centers. The people have returned back to their homes this morning, and it has been confirmed that the figure has dropped to 5 with a number of 183, and we are still waiting for our officers in the field to get back to us and inform us on the latest update. For Tiliwalevu, Nassau, and Nandromai, water has receded, and we're expecting the public to cross the river and get back to town and sell their produce. And of course, for other low-lying areas, we're still waiting for the reports to come in.
Tolong